Hi guys, good morning and welcome back. Today we're going to continue this FJ makeover or whatever you want to call it. But today we are going to be focusing on the side mirrors. So the side mirrors are black. I'm pretty sure that they were painted by the last owner years and years ago. So it's just starting to fade. It's super rough. You can obviously see paint coming off. The material is so rough, if you take like a microfiber towel and try to rub it across the top, you can't. It gets stuck. And you can just see the difference between the black that I've painted and here. So really just gonna kind of make those over. Let me show you the driver's side just to get a before and after. So yeah, this is pretty rough. I'm also going to be cleaning up the lenses because the lenses are a little bit faded as well too. So let me get to my normal kind of routine, which I'm not going to put you guys through, but truly it's really just taping off the entire area. I'm then going to sand it down. I'll probably start with a 400 because it is pretty rough, and work my way to 6. And then we're going to clean it with some degreaser and isopropyl alcohol, and then we can start spraying. Obviously got to tape everything off, but yeah, so I'm excited. It's honestly it's the last thing that we have to do exterior wise to really, just like I said, freshen up the car, make it look as new or as in best shape of condition as possible before we start ceramic coating. Oh wait, no, that's a lie. I gotta finish this paint too. I'm still waiting it to come in because I don't like the way the first one came out. So, but anyway, when we do all that, then we'll be ceramic coating the car. But yeah, let me get to all the fun work that you guys don't want to see. All right, so I had to get the camera for you guys. So this, I cannot tell, to be honest with you. So first off, I know for a fact this was plasti dipped. So if you plasti dip a car, which, listen, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Like, obviously I do the, all the symbols and everything, emblems and everything like that, right? It's super easy, super simple, but I refresh that at least every year for any cars that basically sit outside 24/7, just because. But I just came to find out that this is plasti dipped, so it must have been on there for years, like years. So yeah, so one, it's gonna make my life a little bit easier, but two, I mean, yeah, insane. Just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. So this is what plasti dip looks like after, like I said, literally years of just sitting on there. As you see, like, I started sanding down and then it started peeling right here. This is all plastic, so I'm gonna peel this whole thing off. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It fades over time, and yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that that's what it looks like if you guys ever come across it. So let me start peeling, and we'll go from there. Wow, that sucked. So because of how baked on it was, I literally, like, I couldn't actually peel it off. So between the 600 grit sandpaper, these gloves actually helped a lot, and a bunch of microfiber towels, I was able to, like, literally eventually scrub it all off. I'm trying to just get these two top sections here where it literally has been, like, baked on. Really my fault. I should have known better. I should have known that it was plasti dipped by the material. I just thought, car's old, it was a little roughed up, and I just thought it just needed to be sanded down. But it is what it is. No big deal. I'm gonna try to do my best to get the rest of this off here, and yeah, then we can just finish the taping and then start spraying. But at least it's nice and smooth, and this silver surface is in good condition, so it's a real nice smooth surface, so the paint should stick really well. And yeah, so let's get to the next steps. This is only one side. That took me like an hour to get it off, so huge pain in the ass. But let me do this side first before I tackle that side, because I may not have time today to do both. So yeah, so let me get to finishing up the taping and all that stuff, and I'll show you when it comes to painting. Alright, so I did 2 quick coats. It is honestly looking so much better, so much smoother, and it's settling nice. Obviously I gotta just do, you know, a little touch up and whatever it may be, do another coat on this side, and then I'll turn the mirror out and do the inside real quick. Just as a reminder, that side was way worse than this, but this is what this looked like. Super rough, just shitty in general. So it was a pain in the ass to get this all off, and I'm not looking forward to doing this side, but definitely well worth it. So let me do the last coat. Like I said, flip it out to the inside, and I'll show you the finished product of this side, because I have no more film, taped off film. It should actually be here today, so I can't do the other side until I get that in. Alright guys, so the finished product honestly looks, again, I don't know if you could tell the difference to the camera or not, but so much better. Obviously that plasti dip had to come off. That had to have been on there for years, because that was baked on and it was just absolutely miserable. I also restored the little lights that were in them as well too, but yeah, looks so much better. The car in general is like literally all coming together. I know there's a huge glare because I got the sunshade up right now, so I apologize, but yeah, really looking super, just looking awesome, bottom line. Let me show you real quick. And this stuff was actually awesome. Sorry for the fan. I've never used this before. I usually kind of like sand and polish and everything like that. But I was, you know, in the store. I figured, let me grab it and try it out. This stuff was actually pretty awesome. Again, I only used it on those little, you know, 2x2 circles, so to speak. But it looks really clean, looks really clear. So let me just show you the other side. So yeah, again, looks really good. And like I said, in my opinion, Wrangler's coming along pretty badass. I think I'm gonna put clear, like the clear LED lights here, so they're not red. And I think that might be it after we ceramic coat it for the exterior, until I put, you know, new wheels on it. But like I said, let me know what you guys think, or what you would use in the comments. Again, I've looked at a bunch of different exhausts for this as well too. Let me know what you guys run. Let me, you know, give me some ideas, some opinions. Let me know how you guys like it and stuff. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please please subscribe like always, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. So